Hopefully this is a frame. I had to go out and get stuff to see. These, what are these called? Hex bit socket set. The standard set. Because that's what the Serpentine kit uses, the bolts. Not bad at all. I just got to reinstall the harmonic balancer and the pulley that comes with the Serpentine kit. I'll be right back. It's not bad at all. Just making sure the pulleys are semi-aligned. Doesn't have to be perfect right now, but alright. So until I get the other serpentine belt and the alternator that goes along with this kit. The only reason I didn't was the typical alternator that they recommended when I was ordering the kit was a single wire alternator. That means all it needs is a power wire going from it. I'll use this old stock one as an example. All it needs is one end of the positive terminal wire going here and the other to the battery positive terminal, and that's all you need to run it. But on the D21, the alternator has, on top of that wire, it has a two-prong connector, I believe is what it's called. One of the prongs goes to your the fusible links, and the other one, I forget the exact thing that it goes to. It might go to the interior, to like the gauges or something. I forget the exact thing, but I have to figure out that part, how to go about that part. So so I gotta figure out what alternator I can get so that I can splice in those, those two, that two-prong connection onto the new one. Not have any electrical issues or anything like that. But I'm really digging the way this looks. It's not bad. And I have a separate video on the timing cover that I got now. I just went ahead and got the one I have now and replaced that one with the one I have on there. This is just looked really nice when I saw it, but while I was in there, while I had the timing chain cover removed, I did the timing, made sure it was right, and I used a particular gadget to help along with that process. I just have to find that footage and edit what's usable and what's, delete what's not. But yeah, again, I was able to do the timing. It was done before. The previous owner had the engine timed. So essentially all I did was ensure that it was timed, and managed to install the distributor in the right position as well. That was a little tedious. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys this, at least this portion. That was this test fit of the Serpentine kit that goes along with the electric water pump. I'm really digging it. But as soon as I have time, I'll figure out what the proper alternator to get. I almost said distributor. This is looking pretty damn good, I think. But anyhow, just wanted to show you guys this little quick test fit, and I'll see you.